This video will show you how to move text in CapCut PC. Click on the text section, click on a small plus to add text, stretch it over the whole video, write any text you want in the black box, grab and drag the text where you want it to start, scroll down to the transform section. Check the scale box and position box. Now move on the timeline and drag the text where you want it to move. A keyframe will be created on your timeline. Play the video, and if the effect seems too slow to you, move this keyframe to the left, and thereby speed up how quickly the text moves to the given place. If you want to add another text movement, move the timeline to where it should start and check scale and position again. Now again, move on the timeline and drag the text where you want it to move. And you are done. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.